Hello friends, welcome you all to Alpha Technical CM. If you are new to our channel, please press the bell, subscribe to our channel, also press the bell icon. Sorry about yesterday. Actually, yesterday evening I recorded the video around 7:30, 8 o'clock. I scheduled to be posted at 9:15, but problem was I scheduled at 29th, today's date. So morning only I realized that mistake, then I posted it. Okay, request all to watch that weekly wrap. It's very important to watch the weekly wrap. Okay, now we'll go to the charts. See, this is our as usual day chart. Okay, friends, this is a learning is a journey, we have to go through it. Okay, in overnight we cannot complete all the things, so please watch the video every day and try to learn what I'm trying to teach you, because market is dynamic, it will keep on shifting, so our learning also will be different every day. See, you can see here doji candle. This doji candle, there is a rejection from the bottom, it shows a bullish sign. As per uh, what you call price action, it is a bullish. Tomorrow this I is taken out, it will go up to where 10,409, up to there it will go, because from there only market has come down. Okay, if it is not able to take out today's high, market may consolidate here, or it may come down to 10,180. Okay, see, you should have some good intraday setup where you are able to analyze it. See here, we have got different things, but you can see here, you should know what happening in the how to handle intraday, right? 1 minute, I will show you our setup. See, this is a simple setup. Market gap down, okay, and then it went down and then came up and closed. Okay, just taken out the today's opening high, okay, and closed with a new high, right? It makes significance. So you draw one line here, okay, draw one line here, check on the left side what is happening with the chart, why it is closed. Ask this question, why market has to go and come back from there, why it did not come back from here, why it did not come back here. All those questions you should ask. Do start doing the analysis, right? This is our day candle. You can see it's a doji candle. So here also we can see the other setup. Okay, it is a doji candle, it has taken support at 10 moving EMA. This is our 21 EMA. There was crossover has happened. Now I added these two also. Okay, there is a RSI divergence also here. So most probably market going up is tough, because it is not supported with volume. Even if it goes up today or tomorrow, market will come down unless volume and turnover increases. Exactly at 61.8 it has retraced. 61.8 is called a golden retracement value in Fibonacci. See, here again it has come back to this line. All these lines are already put, right? Once market goes up, again we will draw the resistance. Okay, first it has to cross these two resistance, that is more important. So this is 10,353 and 10,393 is important. If it crosses this, only then market will go up. Okay, how much it will go up? It will go up to 10,423. The same 10,423 we have seen in the day candle also. When the numbers are repeating in a different time frames, that acts as a strong support and resistance. You have to remember, you have to watch, you have to note down before trading. Okay, right friends, we'll check our volume analysis, right? You can see here, this is the you can see the volume here. Volume is less. Yesterday, that is on Friday, was it is less, and Monday it is much more less volume, right? We'll see in the chart. You can see here, you can see 29th, only turnover is 5745 lakhs crore. Okay, turnover is 27,019 crores. This is in lakhs, this is in crores. You can see the chart here, it has come down. So market coming down is sure. From when, where is what we have to find out with intraday charts. Okay, we will see option chain. What does the option chain suggest? Sorry, we will see FII data. See, FIIs are They have sold 1937 crores. Net sellers they are, DAs are 1036 crore net buyers. Okay. This is the option chain. You can see in the option chain here, it's a mixed response in option chain today. Okay. You can see here, put writers have squared up this position. When will the put writers square up their position? Is when the market goes down, put writers lose money. So in the money when they square off, it means that put writers have squared it off. Here you can see a huge build up here at 10,100. At 10, not even at 10,000, it is build up happening at 10,100. So this 10,100 will act as a strong support. So now we have to correlate with our chart. Why will the 10,100 be respected? We have to come back here and check. You can see here 10,273 is a resistance here for us in 1 day and 1 hour. In day candle, you check what is the support. You can see 10,171. So this 10 when the market comes to 10,200, goes below 10,200, between 10,200 and 100, market may reverse, or it may get support, or it may go sideways. So all these things, analyzation has to happen. You have to correlate with the other datas, right? Data points. But here you can see call writing has happened. It's a contradictory. Okay. So this call OA data is suggesting it will go up, put is suggesting it is going down. So we don't know. You can see every 100 points there is a resistance. Every 100 points you can see here. Every 100 points there is a resistance. 10,500, 10,400 is a resistance. We should see this rate of change also. We should see yesterday what was the open interest and today what is the open interest, whether it has been added or it is reduced. Not necessary it is in positive that they have added. They might have reduced also. This may be 20 lakhs, it has come to 8 lakhs. We don't know. That rate of change, continuous monitoring of the OA data is very important to analyze it perfectly, right? Now we will go to Bank Nifty, right? In Bank Nifty also it has formed a doji. You can see here. This is almost like a doji. It has taken support at 55 day. I told 55 is very, last time also it has taken support, now also it has taken support. Okay. This formation is bearish. If this low breaks, it will go down. It has a support of 55 and then it will have a support of 21, then 20,127 is again there is a big support here, right? There it will consolidate. If the too many supports are there, market will consolidate, or it will take out the support and strong support and resistance. Market will take out by gap up and gap down opening. You have to remember that. Okay, friends. Now we will go to the question answer. Some 2-3 days I was in little bit of confusion, so I did not do it. So we asked one question. So again we will start from today. What is OI? OI is an open interest. Okay, right? That's an open interest, right? Then I asked what all constituents in open interest. There will be one buyer, one seller. Okay, I sell, you buy. We both our positions are open. Still I buy back. If I am a seller, still I buy back. That position is not squared off. That position is open. So there is an interest in that. For me, in that open position, like that, if you are buying, still you sell, your position is not squared off. So your interest on that buy is there. That's why it's called open interest. Okay, this applicable for options. Okay, not in the what you call equities. There it is. There is no open interest. Delivery percentage or delivery volume. Deliverable quantities. Sorry, deliverable quantities or delivery percentage. You can take it. What is an IV? Question of the day is what is IV? Okay. So you explain that, then we'll move to the next question. Sorry, because yesterday I forgot to. I wanted to upload yesterday night 9:15, but I put the date as 29th. Today's date. That's why morning I realized and then I released that video. Right? It was recorded yesterday evening. You can see the time, what time we are recording, that is visible in the yesterday's video. Okay friends, thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, press the bell icon. Next week we will please watch this video where I said save money by using NSE website. Like you can see, volume scanner is there, 52-week high low is there. All those things people are paying money to get the data. If you spend some time with NSE site, NSE is like our house, home, whatever you call, office. We should know our office, home, house very well, right? In and out we should know. Every trader should know the basic, that is the using of NSE website. That is why I have put that. Okay, in part 2 I will try to put the new NSE website, how to use that. Okay, also there is a disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered technical analyst. Okay, please consult your financial advisor before taking any trade. Thank you friends, thanks for watching. Okay, please press the thumbs up button. Okay, Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.